It is the single largest food source on the planet. It feeds billions of people while keeping the global ecosystem in balance. It represents Slade Gorton's opportunity and responsibility. Our partners share that vision and commitment to sustainable practices. Our suppliers uphold our standard for perfection. Together, we represent the largest seafood network in the world, spanning more than 63 countries. We cover the farthest corners of the earth, the deepest ends of the ocean, in pursuit of premium. No one else can deliver the breadth and quality of products on time from anywhere. No one else but Slade Gorton. Our legacy was built through more than 100 years in the industry. Welcome to Slade Gorton.